Hello everyone, my name is VanNatter. Thank you for joining me today. When most people think about fire safety, they picture emergency response. But some of the most important work happens long before a fire ever starts. Through fire prevention and code enforcement, we're able to identify hazards early, reduce risk, and ultimately protect lives and property within our communities. Today I'll be walking through how these efforts work together and why they matter. City council members often hear about fire prevention. This concept actually relies on three main things, which is education, enforcement, and engineering. Education focuses on teaching the public how to prevent fires. This can include opportunities such as community outreach, smoke alarm campaigns, and fire safety programs. Enforcement involves inspecting buildings and ensuring fire codes and safety regulations are being followed. Engineering focuses on designing buildings and systems that prevent fires or slow their spread. Think of sprinkler systems, fire-rated walls, and our alarm systems. Together, these three strategies help protect lives and property in our community. Fire codes are enforced through a combination of inspections and plan reviews. Before a building is constructed, the fire department often reviews the building plans to ensure compliance with safety codes. These reviews look at things like exits, stairways, travel distances, fire-rated construction, and fire protection systems. Once construction begins, inspectors conduct follow-up inspections to ensure the building aligns with the approved plans. When the construction is complete, the building must pass inspection before a certificate of occupancy can be issued. This process ensures buildings are safe before people begin to use them. Fire codes apply to both new construction and existing buildings. New buildings must meet current fire safety standards in design and construction. Existing buildings may be inspected periodically to ensure that they continue to meet these safety requirements. One of the most important factors in code enforcement is occupancy classification. Occupancies are grouped based on their use and risk level. These include categories such as assembly, residential, educational, healthcare, industrial occupancies. Each occupancy type has a different fire protection requirement depending on the level of risk. Another important part of fire safety involves testing building materials to determine how they perform during a fire. Organizations such as the Underwriters Laboratory, National Institute of Standards and Technology, and of course the ASTM International. They conduct fire tests on building materials. These tests measure how long materials can resist the fire exposure. The results determine a fire-resistant rating, which may range from 30 minutes to several hours. These ratings help engineers design safer buildings and help inspectors verify that structures meet fire protection standards. Fire inspectors also identify unsafe structures and hazardous conditions. These unsafe conditions could consist of blocked exits, overloaded electrical systems, damaged wiring, poor housekeeping, missing fire protection systems. Inspectors also check important building concepts such as emergency lighting, exit signs, sprinkler systems, and fire alarms. These elements are essential because they affect how occupants evacuate and how firefighters respond and operate during these emergencies. Buildings are also classified on their construction type, which affects how fire spreads. There are 5 major types of construction. Type 1 are your buildings that are fire resistive and typically found in high-rise structures. Type 2 are non-combustible and common in your commercial buildings. Type 3 are the buildings that are built of masonry walls and combustible roof systems. Type 4 uses heavy lumber or heavy timber. Type 5 construction is your common residential building, such as our homes, and those are typically built of wood frames. Wood frame construction often presents the greatest risk factor for rapid spread because the materials are combustible and can ignite and fail quickly. Plan review and structural control significantly improve fire safety. By reviewing building plans before construction, fire officials can identify hazards early and ensure proper fire protection systems are included in the design. Structural inspections during and after construction verify that safety features are installed correctly. This process protects occupants, firefighters, and the community by ensuring buildings meet established fire safety codes before they are occupied. Thank you for joining me today. Please let me know if you have any questions. Enjoy your day.